Hello friends, this is the fourth video in our analytical reasoning series. So we have done six set of questions in our earlier three videos, and again we will be doing two set of questions in this video. So let's continue with the seventh question. Six families Sharma, Dubey, Joshi, Verma, Agrawal and Mishra plan to go to six different hill stations MKM, Kodaikanal, Simla and Nainital. They wish to go in six different months. Two of them want to travel by bus, two by rail and others by car and flight. Following information is given. So in all we have six family and six different hill stations they want to visit in six different months. Now two travel by bus, two travel by rail and one by car and one by flight. So these are the four type of information which we have been given, and these are the six conditions which we have to follow to make the table like we did in the earlier set of questions. So please quickly go through these conditions and write it down in a rough paper so that when we are making the table it's very easy for us. Now here is our table. These are the name of persons, so six different families, place visited, month, mode of transport. Now this we didn't know, so we have to follow the conditions and form the table. So you have to follow the conditions and carefully fill this table. For example, like the first says Mr. Agrawal goes to Mahabaleshwar but not by air or bus. So we take Agrawal, we take Mahabaleshwar for the family. Now air or bus is ruled out for the family, and month is not given, but we have to follow other conditions and eliminate the options which does not fit over here, and then fill the table. Similarly other conditions are given, so you can fill the complete table and then come to the set of questions which we have been provided. So this is our complete table. Now let's continue with the first question. Who of the following visits Shimla? Now, now Shimla is visited by Verma family. So D answer Verma is correct. Kodaikanal was visited by Kodaikanal was visited by the Dubey family. So that's our answer. Mr. Verma visited. Now Mr. Verma visited Shimla. So Shimla is our answer. If Mr. Agrawal travelled in June, Mr. Sharma must have travelled in. Now, since June is eliminated, and now Mr. Sharma can only travel in the month of January, so the answer is January. Mr. Sharma visited. Now, Mr. Sharma has visited Mussoorie, so this is our answer. So this is how we came to the answers by filling this table carefully by the provided conditions. You have to write down the conditions on a piece of rough paper, and you can slowly and steadily fill these table and eliminate the options if all conditions are not provided. Let's move on to the next set of question 8. There are four people sitting in a row, one each from India, Japan, USA, and Germany, but not in that order. They are wearing caps of different colors, so caps are of different colors. One is wearing a kurta and one a t-shirt. The Indian is wearing a green cap and a jacket. The American is not seated at either end, and the persons with kurta and t-shirts are sitting next to each other. The person with kurta wears a red cap and sits next to the Japanese. The Japanese wears a shirt and is not seated at either end. The man with white cap wears t-shirt and is seated at one end. So these are all the conditions given to us over here. Now we have to find out where each person is sitting of each nationality, and what he or she is wearing, and of what color the caps are. Now according to the conditions, we have formed this table. So this is nationality, clothes, caps. Now this is the sitting arrangement. First is German, then is American, Japanese, and Indian. Now Indian is wearing a jacket, Japanese is wearing a shirt, American is wearing a kurta, German is wearing a t-shirt, and the caps are of white, red, yellow, green color respectively. So by this table we can answer the questions given in the set. Let's start with the first question. Who wears the t-shirt? Now the t-shirt is uh, worn by German, so German is our answer. Who is wearing a kurta? Kurta is being worn by American. What is the color of the cap worn by the Japanese? It's yellow color. Who precedes the man wearing t-shirt? Man wearing t-shirt. The American precedes German who wears t-shirt. Who precedes the man wearing jacket? Now Japanese precedes the man wearing jacket. So this is how we have solved the questions based on the table and the conditions. We will solve another two set of questions in our next video on this series. Thank you for now.